Hello everyone. So how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and amazing for your career. So first of all, let me know that how are you all? I hope that all will be working for your career, for your dream. So guys, you must be thinking that where I am. So I am in my new house. Actually, this house has not been completed. The work is going on, and I was sitting here. I was reading book. I was reading because my exam is around the corner, so I was preparing for that. So I thought that let's make any video, because as you know that I have not been posting any video for a month. So somewhere or the other, I was feeling nervous, and I feel nervous for making any video because I had just stopped this journey. I was When I stopped this journey, that time I was thinking that I will not make any video, I will not work on YouTube, I will not do English speaking practice. So after thinking these things, I stopped my journey of language learning. Again, I just thought while reading book, I was not reading. I was not conscious about reading. My mind was in my past. I was thinking the moment when I was capturing video, when I was editing, when I was uploading, and the moment when I used to read the comments of my viewers. So I was just thinking about that moment. So I thought let's try to make a video today, and that is the thing that I'm doing. I'm feeling nervous because after 30 days, after 1 month, again I am trying to make a video. I don't know what I want to speak. I don't know what words will come in my mind. Whatever is coming, I'm speaking about that. So from these things we can understand that if we stop anything, if we stop doing anything, so for starting that to work again, it is obvious that we feel nervous, we feel fear, we don't feel to start that work again, because we lose our confidence, we lose our consistency, we lose our experience of doing that work. That is happening to me. I had stopped a video making journey, video making habit. So somewhere it is very difficult for me to make a video, to edit, to upload. I am just thinking that how will I do this? It has been 30 days. You know what? It has been 1 month. I'm not posting any video. So it is very difficult for me to start again, to edit, to upload, and I don't know what will be my experience about that, because earlier I was very consistent for doing this work. Just before 1 month, something bad happened to me. Actually, I want to clear that concept where I stuck, where I felt that nothing is in my life, everything has spoiled it. So that moment was very dangerous for me. Even this time also, I'm not very satisfied that I have started my journey again. It takes time to come out from the dangerous situation. Thank you so much for connecting here. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.